Okay, I've looked online for a video to show how to hook up the flasher for the turn signals on a 2024 CFMoto, and this is the 600. And I couldn't find any video. I found some for like a 2022, and it's totally different. So I'm going to tell you now, it's a pain in the butt to get to, but I'm going to show you how to do it, because on a 2022 model it's under the hood, but on the 24 model it's up underneath the dash. And I'm going to show you where you have to plug it in. And what I did is there's 2 bolts right here, which lets your brain come down so you can get your hand right up in there is where it plugs in. I don't know if you can see that. I'm sorry if you can't, but that module is your flasher. I just plugged it in. It's up underneath the dash. And it's got a place to put 2 screws. But I'm going to tell you right now, there ain't no way you're going to put screws up in there. And I can show you another view from down here in the steering wheel. Bring in my light where you can see. Right down there is where it plugs in. But you have to do it from under the dash. There ain't no good way of showing you guys. But right there is where it is. Right there. That's where it plugged in. Right there. Pain in the butt. And then your flasher button goes right here. There's plenty of videos on showing you. All you do is pull this corner and this corner, and it just pops out. No big deal. You just plug it in, and then turn your key on, hit your button, and you have a flasher. I'll show you up here. There it is. Nothing to it. The worst part's plugging that thing in. I don't know why CFMoto put it up underneath the dash, but let me tell you, it's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I hope this helps someone, because I had read where it was up underneath the dash, and I found it. So anyway, I'm showing you. Good luck. Out.